Get ready to meet the newest off-road beast in the pickup world. If you're into rugged trucks built to conquer any terrain, then stick around because today we're unveiling the 2024 GMC Canyon AT4X EVE Edition, a machine that's not just about muscle, but also about refined power and cutting-edge tech. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with fellow truck enthusiasts. You don't want to miss out on the latest automotive content, so let's get rolling. The GMC Canyon lineup has always been about blending strength with style, and now it's time for the Canyon to step into the spotlight. The 2024 GMC Canyon AT4X EVE Edition is here, and while it doesn't come with a beefy name, its off-road capabilities are anything but ordinary. You might remember the teaser GMC dropped back in May. Well, it's finally here, and that massive black grille is as menacing as it gets. But that's just the beginning. Check out those red tow hooks and the front skid plate. And we're not talking about just any skid plate. There are 5 ultra-high-strength boron steel plates shielding this rig. They cover everything from the steering rack and transmission to the transfer case, fuel tank, rear differential, and even the radiator. It's like armor for your truck, ready to tackle whatever the wild throws at it. And with an extra 1.5-inch lift compared to the already towering AT4X, along with 35-inch tires, this Canyon boasts an impressive 12.2 inches of ground clearance. Under the hood, you've got a turbocharged 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine. But we're not talking about just any engine. The AT4X EVE Edition gets the highest tune standard. We're looking at 310 horsepower and a hefty 430 pound-feet of torque, all channeled through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The AT4X already stands 3 inches higher than other 4-wheel drive Canyons and comes packed with tech, including an exclusive Baja drive mode that sets the AT4X and EVE Edition apart from the crowd. Now, we don't have pricing details for the 2024 GMC Canyon just yet, especially for this top-of-the-line AT4X EVE Edition. But considering the 2023 Canyon AT4X starts just under $57,000, it's a safe bet that the 2024 model with all the EVE upgrades will push past the $60,000 mark. So, what do you think? Is the 2024 GMC Canyon AT4X EVE Edition ready to be crowned the king of off-road trucks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews in the latest automotive news. Until next time, keep the wheels rolling.